Hi there, I'm Amber and these are the Holland pavers. They are a very versatile block, perfect for patios, walkways, and even driveways. First, each block has a beveled face. This allows the built-in spacers on the sides to be unnoticeable when joint sand is between the pavers. Secondly, they come in 3 different sizes. First, we have the Holland regular, the Holland boardwalk, which is just 2 Hollands, and then we have the Holland XL, which is also 2 Hollands. Why is this so awesome, you may ask? Well, that means that you have almost endless pattern combinations between all 3 of these blocks. Plus, they come in an array of colors. So once you start mixing color and patterns, you get endless combinations. Now, there are a lot of reasons why I love this block. So go to our website for technical specs, patterns, planning tools, inspirational images to get your dream project started. Happy building!